Hey everyone, I'm Steve with Total Finishing Solutions. I'm here to show you how to assemble this adjustable painting door cart. These are our parts over here. So this is what's included in the box. We got two 30-inch left and right side base supports. And then here we got L support brackets. Then we have your notched telescopic tubing. You're gonna get a handful of hardware. You got 4 casters, and these are your optional attachment pieces for the door rack. So let's get started assembling it. If you're looking to have your own copy of the instructions, you could go ahead and find that on the webpage for the adjustable cart rack on totalfinishingsupplies.com. Scroll down and look for the lecture section. So let's get started. First, we're going to install the casters, one on each side. We're going to go ahead and use the hardware that was included. Make sure we want to keep these loose until we get all the hardware in. And then once all the hardware is in, then we're going to tighten down. I'm going to go ahead and start the second side. And use my torque wrench and button everything up. Okay, so after we got the casters on to the 30-inch base, we're going to go ahead and install the L support. So we're going to put this sideways and have this with the L part facing up. And there is a notch on the 30-inch base support. You want to line that up with the piece sticking out here. So I'm going to flip this over. Oops, I had it right. And then I'm just going to make sure that notch fits in to that little channel. There we go. And then I'm going to take a nut and a washer. I'm going to put in 2 on each side. I'm just going to start that in by hand first. Make sure all of them fit in appropriately. Start the other side. I'm going to go ahead and button everything up. Okay, and then we're ready for the telescopic portion of this side. I'm going to go ahead and slip it into this opening here. We're going to take one of the longer bolts and nuts and 2 washers. And we're going to place that in through one of these 3 holes. I'm going to set it in the furthest hole back or down, wherever you're looking. And then I'm going to just hand tighten that until I could get everything put together. So we're going to go ahead and repeat this for the second side. Okay, so now that we have both our ends assembled for the adjustable painting carts, we're ready to install the center piece of the telescopic tubing. Pretty simple, easy. All we gotta do is just slide it right in. And there you have it, our adjustable painting cart door rack. Let's put together. Simple as that. You don't even need a friend to do it. But this is our finished product here with the optional door hanging brackets and locking swivel. If you like this and you're interested in seeing more products from Total Finishing Supplies, go to totalfinishingsupplies.com and get yours today. Hey everyone, this is Steve-O with Total Finishing Solutions. I'm here to show you optional parts for your door drying cart and accessories. Here you have your 360 rotating hanger that mounts directly onto any door or large cabinet door. These are your door lock. They just go right at the end of the handles there. I'll show you how that works with the rack in just a moment. And then this here is your vertical door drying rack accessories. You got one for each post of your drying cart. Let's go ahead and install this one first, and I'll show you how it works. So we'll take this, slip it on one side, and then you'll take the second one, and we'll slip it on the other side. What this feature allows you to do is once you have a door painted, you want somewhere to put it to dry, you just set it onto the ends using the rotating handles. Here I already have a door with the handles installed, so you got one on each end, and then after this is painted, all you have to do is just set this in any of the notches, and there you go. You just put that in an IR oven or let it air dry and you're good to go.